Okay, so first, use these expressions to really wow and impress someone who's Haitian. So you can use any of these expressions whenever you are feeling surprised or shocked. So they are, oh, mes amis, gadon cause, oui. So go ahead and try it. If you are next to Haitians and let's say something surprising or shocking happens, you can say, mes amis, and then notice their reaction. They'll be surprised and say,
Mes amis, à part parler créole.
and now the greetings in Haitian Creole. So to say hello, say bonjour for the morning and then say bonsoir for the afternoon and evening. And if you want to say how are you, that's comment ou ye or qui jan ou ye. And the way you would respond to that is moins bien, moins en forme, moins papi mal, and so on. Now, if you want to sound more comfortable, more casual, more friendly, you can say "sac passé" or "sac ap fait," which can mean "what's up" or "what's happening." And the way you would casually respond to that is "nap boule," which means "we're hanging on." And now, listen to this example of someone who is learning Haitian Creole greeting someone who is Haitian.
Bonjour, comment ou ye?
Oh, moi bien, oui. Ou parlez créole?
Tu petit map apprendre parler créole. Mhm.
Eh bien, ok. Faut dégager quand même, petit.
Now, please remember this. This is super important. Don't worry too much about sounding just right or because you have an accent. The reason is because Haitians really, really appreciate it when someone is learning their language. They're so excited when that happens. All right, and now for the numbers in Haitian Creole. They're the same as French. So from 1 to 10, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now for 10 to 100, which are also very useful to know. They are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's really useful to know how to count by tens in Haitian Creole because it makes it easier for you to give rough estimates, which is easier on your memory. So let's say, for example, someone is asking you, how much money do you have? And let's say you have $26.70. In Haitian Creole, that would be $26.70. Quite a mouthful. So you can simply say, aux environs 20. Just like in English, around 20. Instead of having to give an exact number, you can simply say aux environs 20, aux environs 30, aux environs 40, and so on. So that applies in many situations. So as a beginner who's learning, that's really useful. All right, and now for the colors. So the colors are the same in French and in Creole. So they are blanc, gris, noir, rouge, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, marron, rose, mauve. All right, and now for some survival terms and phrases. Of course, please and thank you. In Haitian Creole, please is s'il vous plaît, and thank you is merci. And to say you're welcome, that's c'est un plaisir or pas de problème. And now let's say, for example, you want to ask to go to the bathroom in Haitian Creole. Well, that would simply be moi ka al nan toilette, s'il vous plaît. And you can even make it easier by saying just one word. So you can say toilette, s'il vous plaît. And the same goes for asking for water. You can simply say ou ka ban mwen d'l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Or you can say d'l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Again, your tone of voice and gesture should clearly show that you are asking a question. So that way, the person whom you are speaking to will clearly know what you mean. And so there you go. That's all there is to it. So definitely go ahead and use the expressions to really make an impact, to touch someone who's Haitian. That will open the door to many conversations. And of course, don't forget to say please and thank you, which are s'il vous plaît and merci. So for more videos like this, subscribe and visit howtocure.com. Thanks for watching.